Hey, good morning. Let's go over today's trade plan. So in the overnight session, we saw that ES pulled back down towards that 46 quarter support and held above 46. And after the non-farm came out, it was a very positive report, and we ended up getting a upside push. At this point, heading into the open, we want to see ES holding above 51.5 to 53.5 if the buyers are to remain in control. And on the downside, a break below 51.5 to 53.5 would be a red flag for buyers, and it could be the first sign that control is shifting to sellers. On the upside, holding above 58 to 60 would be needed to confirm the upside breakout, and holding above 58 to 60 could lead to a move up to 66.5 to 68.5, and potentially the zones above it at 72.5 to 75. And the final objective on the upside on a strong breakout would be 79 to 80, but that doesn't necessarily have to happen on the day time frame today. As long as we hold above 58 to 60 today, at least the market would be heading towards 79 to 80 over the next couple of sessions. But we are going to be watching to see whether this breakout actually holds or whether the breakout starts to fail, because on non-farm, so far this is a news-driven move, and we do need to see consistent and sustained buying in order to really stick with that direction. So, we're using 58 to 60 as pre-market resistance with the idea that, we're just going to see whether it's holding above it or below it, and then 51.5 to 53.5 is important support, and ideally the market should hold above that. If we break below 51.5, that would be a early warning sign, and a break below 46 to 48 would then confirm that control has shifted to the sell side. That would bring the 38 quarter to 40 quarter zone into play, as well as 32 to 34. 32 to 34 is an area where we could potentially still get some responsive buying, and if we break below that, then the final downside objective would be all the way down to 21.75 to 23.75, and that again is an area where responsive buyers can be active. It would be a breakout retest. So at this point in time, as long as we're holding above 51.5 to 53.5, the buy side has edge, and the focus will be more on the long side, but we do want to see it consistently holding above 58 to 60 in order to really confirm that today is going to end up being a bullish day. If we continue balancing here and continue failing or rejecting this 58 to 60 zone, then that would warrant caution as well. So off the open, keep an eye on 51.5 to 53.5, see whether the market is able to hold above it. If not, then be very cautious on long side, perhaps even position short, and then a break of 46 to 48 would confirm the shift in control to the sellers, and that could lead to some acceleration to the downside. So those are the main ideas heading into the day. Let's see if the buyers are able to hold it up, and we'll take it from there.